Cheers, everyone. It is a Star Stitch edition of our Tara's Must Have. What's a Tara's Must Have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. Look at our Star Stitch mug. Oh my gosh, I just love everything about this. I love that nice embossed bold star in the center. By the way, it's on both sides. Nice oversized handle with the little thumbprint. It's the details. And it comes with a little lid. Well, what's that? Well, it's a coaster for under your mug. So if you have something cold and it's gonna sweat, or you don't wanna mar your table with something hot, you can use it under, or you can use it as a lid for on top of there. Put your teaspoon, put your lemon, your tea bag, whatever you have. It's a two-piece awesome mug system, which we love, and it's $12.95 over at Temp-tations.com. It goes with our entire Star Stitch collection, whether it's your 13 by 9, whether it's the dinnerware that you've been picking up, all of those great pieces. This is a great fun way to try our stoneware, put it in the microwave, the oven, the fridge, the freezer, the dishwasher, but it's just a perfect addition. Head on over to Temp-tations.com where you can check it out, $12.95. Cheers.